This is a tutorial video for the OVO E-Bike. First, let's look at the control functions. To turn on the bike, press the button on the key. To change the speed, press the left button. Do note that after speed 3, it goes back to speed 0. To check the display mode, press onto the right button. This bike has 3 display modes: trip, ODO, and time. It also has a brake cut-off display. Now, on to charging. This bike has 2 batteries and 2 different charging ports. The one shown now is for the detachable battery, while this one is for the fixed battery. Simply open and close both before and after charging. Now, on to special functions. To turn on the front light, press the button on top of the light. To turn it off, press it again. This bike also comes with an alarm that activates when people touch it or it is still turned off. To remove the battery, press and hold the button on the key until you hear a click. After that, open up the top and pull the battery out from the hook. To attach the battery, fit it in with the hook side facing the front of the bike and make sure that it is fully in the bike. Now, put the lid back on. Do leave a comment below if you have any questions, and for more inquiries about the OVO, come down to any of our 4 outlets or check out our website.